Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, under Instagram, before we do have that option under settings and privacy and under your app and media, when you go ahead and tap on accessibility, you have dark mode. Now it's different. You'll have to turn it on under your device's setting, whether you're Android or on iOS. Now to go ahead and do that, you have to find your settings app. Now, just basically use the search bar, okay? Don't make your life hard. Use the search bar and just type down dark, okay? Now, for iPhone, you'll find dark or light dark. For Android, you'll be able to see the same as well. Just basically select that option and just select dark, just like so. And then once that's done, go ahead and go back. Now, go back to Instagram. As you can see, it is now on dark mode. That's how easy it is to turn on dark mode on Instagram for iPhone and Android. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.